Welcome to Hawkeye Community College Nursing Program Orientation. It's time for your dress code check. Shoes. Ensure that your shoes are all one color, either black or white. They can be of leather or mesh. Ensure less than 10% of the opposite color by using the thumb test. If the opposite color is larger than your thumb, the shoe is not applicable. Socks. Your socks need to be all one color, either black, white, or navy, and they must be long enough to cover your ankles. Uniform, what not to do. Ensure that your headband is not covering your ears. Make sure that if you have chest hair or cleavage showing, you are wearing an undershirt, and you cannot have your phone in your pocket. Your uniform pants need to be long enough to cover your ankles when you sit and long enough to cover your backside when you reach or bend over. Ensure that you don't have any facial piercings, that your earrings are of suitable size, and that your hair is secured back. You also want to ensure that you are wearing a regular bra so that you don't risk a sports bra showing through your clinical attire. Uniform, what to do. Ensure that your uniform is washed, clean, wrinkle-free every single day of clinical. Ensure that you have the proper fit and wear a regular bra to make sure that your sports bra straps will not show through. You must wear your name tag. Patches should be on the left side, either iron or sewn on, 2 fingers from the top of the shoulder. Lab coat must have elastic sleeves and be of permitted Dickies brand. Undershirts. If you have any sort of cleavage or chest hair showing, you are encouraged to wear undershirts. Your undershirts are only allowed to be white and of 3/4 sleeve length. They must be tucked into your scrub bottoms. Watches must have a continuous clock or a second hand. No smartwatches are permitted. If you are married, it is suggested that you wear a silicone wedding band. You are unable to have any facial piercings or dental piercings. You are only permitted 2 small studs for earrings. Ensure that your makeup is of natural looking. You are not allowed to wear false eyelashes or colorful eyeshadow or lip colors. Hair must be of only natural color, secured in a bun so it is not touching your collar, and headbands cannot cover your ears. They must be all black, white, or navy. Tattoos need to be covered with 1 bandage or an undershirt and a lab coat. Multiple bandages is not permitted. Ensure that you bring all of your books required for clinical and all of the belongings given to you in your clinical bag. So let's recap. You can go ahead and pause this video to recap on shoes, socks, uniform, and undershirts. Continuing the recap, pause the video to review watches, phones, jewelry, and nails. Continued recap. Pause the video to review makeup, hair, and tattoos. Recap continued. Pause the video to ensure general, equipment for clinical, and professional behavior. Last little tidbits. All of these rules apply to simulation lab. Simulation is where instructors want you to make mistakes. Remember that the only two things you can control are your attitude and your effort. Ensure to come to clinical prepared and ready to be engaged. Your attitude, effort, and enthusiasm will directly impact your experience. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Be excited to learn and be challenged. Welcome to the Hawkeye Nursing Program.